When start the engine BMW E46 ABS light on dashboard. This car problems with anti-brake lock ABS pump motor not working properly. Very heard this brake. Signs your ABS pump is failing. The dashboard's ABS light is on. Your brake pedal locks up. Incorrect speedometer readings. Braking system is unresponsive. On ignition switch check for ABS fault code. Use for auto land scan 3. Read fault code 113 ASC, automatic stability control pump motor. The ABS pump is not repairable, but a system failure doesn't always mean that it has to be replaced. How to fix ASC pump motor damaged? Check first ABS fuse and ABS wiring harness. Use for multimeter. ABS pump wiring supply plus volt and negative, diagram. Set up multimeter for DC volts to check. The top of the socket is 2 wires plus positive 12 voltage. Check ignition switch on position red color 2-way 12.0 voltage.
Connect the red wire of the multimeter. Connect the socket wire and the black wire of the multimeter. Car battery negative side / car body. Check number 1 wire 11.81 voltage. OK. I'll check another wire for positive voltage just like the first one. Number 2 wire also no problem, voltage 11.81 is OK. Check the multimeter setup ohms position on the negative wire.
Ohm position, then set the multimeter beeping sound. Now check negative wire if multimeter beeping sound. Connect the red lead of the multimeter to the socket and touch the black wire to the car battery negative or car body. I checked the negative wire and found that the multimeter is beeping. There is no problem with the negative wire. ABS pump wiring not problem. ASC pump motor not working. Check the activation usage for the scan computer ASC pump control motor. I checked this anti-brake system pump motor. Connect ABS cable socket to ABS pump. Before changing the anti-brake lock pump, activate it with the scan computer, then you can understand whether the ASC pump is good or not. This ABS pump will be installed in the car. Before installation, check the ABS pump cable is connected to the socket. Now I will click activation on computer. Now I will click on return pump. Activation is complete. White for 5 seconds. After activation, if the ABS pump makes a sound, then the pump motor is okay, and if no sound, then the pump motor is broken. I will remove anti-lock brake ABS pump. I will remove and replacement. This ABS pump motor is not working. Open for all Barak oil hosh pape. Remove the one screw, size is 10 mm. I removed the ABS pump that was broken. Now I will install this other ABS pump. I will change it. Activation, check this pump. Okay, so this pump will be fitted. This ABS pump is fine. Now I will install the ABS pump and all the brake oil pipes nicely. ABS pump and brake oil pipe, just fit the socket properly. How to bleeding brake fluid. Install the house, then open brake pump, belt screw. Hook up the tool you're using to catch the fluid to the bleeder screw, then make sure there's adequate pressure going to the brakes, either with the pressure bleeder primed or your body holding the brake pedal down. Then crack the bleeder screw. Fluid should come out immediately. Brake pumps for all tires on your car are bled the same way. Now reset the ABS code using scan computer. Now click clear the faulty code. Faulty code clear, press the enter to continue. Check again, read fault code. OK, done, clear and no fault code. I will restart the car engine and see if the ABS light is on or the ABS light is off. Inshallah, no more ABS light now.